Are you supposed to put the pencil in your ear?
Every day. So we start by measuring where that bar is going to go, which is about right there, 90 inches. So that's 84 plus the 5-inch baseboard. So now I'm going to double check and see if that's actually where it should be or whether it should be another 1/2 inch, because their baseboards are about 5.5 inch. So the way I check that is because this vertical piece doesn't go over the baseboards, it sits above it. So basically I let that vertical piece rest on the baseboard, and then I see where it matches up with that original line I did, which, you know, that's about where it's going to be. That's perfect. Then we want to make sure the horizontal one is level and at our mark. So there's our mark. It's right there. So our mark's good. So I'm actually going to remove this so it kind of stays out of the way, so I'm not having to support that weight. So that's the line I drew to see where that one finished. So based on this has like a full inch and that one has 1/2 inch. So I'm going to actually bring this over a little bit, so it's about 3/4 inch on each side. I'm going to measure that top inch, or top mark that was at 90 inches. Make sure it's level. So we level that out about right there. And we're going to mark where the screws go in. I'm going to put that down. So if it's just drywall, we need to pre-drill it and put in a drywall anchor. If it's got a stud behind it, then we can just use the wood screw. That's why I just mark it for now, because I might need to pre-drill a lot of these. So come over here. We're just double checking this one now because I slid that over about 1/4 inch. So that is something behind the lath and plaster. So it's probably
our wall is breaking.
it's probably on plaster.